Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today. Today, the cryptocurrency market saw a slight increase in prices. On February 4, 2023, the BTC to USDT price was 23,320.0, a decrease of 0.23% compared to yesterday's 23,373.87. Similarly, the ETH to USDT price was 1,665.39, an increase of 0.51% compared to yesterday's 1,657.0. Finally, the BNB to USDT price was 332.5, an increase of 0.24% compared to yesterday's 331.7. Overall, the cryptocurrency market experienced a slight increase in prices. Latest news. Binance Market Update, February 4, 2023. Today, the global cryptocurrency market cap stands at $1.08t, with Bitcoin, BTC, trading at $23,364. Several major cryptocurrencies are trading mixed, with Hive, AGX, and Dago showing the highest gains of 44%, 34%, and 22%, respectively. Top stories of the day include FTX customers being warned of scammers, Marathon Digital selling mined Bitcoin for the first time, Bitcoin market sentiment being the most bullish in 14 months, Binance investing in a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange, and Russia's Sberbank introducing a DeFi platform. This news comes as Bitcoin falls after 517k jobs were added in January, beating expectations. The world must take a collective action approach to regulations, India's Finance Minister. India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has suggested that global consensus is needed to effectively regulate cryptocurrency, ahead of the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting in Bengaluru later this month. She noted that regulation of crypto assets cannot be done by any one country and will require a collective effort. This comes after the news that Sitharaman didn't mention any changes to income tax laws in relation to crypto, central bank digital currency or blockchain technology in the union budget on February 1. Countries within the G20 have been making their own developments on crypto regulations, suggesting that a global consensus is needed to effectively regulate the cryptocurrency industry. Sovereign SDK, solutions to help lower the threshold for using zero-knowledge technology. Sovereign Labs, an encryption project focused on building rollups, has completed a $7.4 million seed round of financing led by Hound Ventures. The round included participation from Maven 11, 1KX, Robot Ventures and Plaintext Capital, putting the company at an 8-figure valuation. Sovereign Labs is building a software development kit, SDK, to help developers create secure and interoperable zero-knowledge rollups. The Sovereign SDK will provide various boilerplate components usually provided by a blockchain, such as a P2P network, database, and RPC nodes, to enable developers to focus on the business logic of their own blockchain. The SDK will also provide a set of default modules that operate efficiently in a zero-knowledge environment. In a press release, Sovereign Labs stated their commitment to empowering billions of users by lowering the threshold of zero-knowledge technology and building every component with the highest standards of resilience. Celebrating the Tulip Mania anniversary with Bitcoin crypto. To celebrate, we are reflecting on the similarities between Tulip Mania and Bitcoin, and dispelling the idea that they are valid. During the Dutch Golden Age, the Netherlands held the largest economic superpower and introduced the first futures contracts, which led to speculation and the formation of a bubble. The bubble eventually burst due to the outbreak of the bubonic plague, but the term tulip mania is still used to refer to any large economic bubble. Bitcoin has been compared to tulip mania, with the former president of the Dutch central bank calling it worse than tulip mania. As Bitcoin has established new all-time highs, it has become clear that it is more than just a bubble. We can learn a lot about market behavior from reflecting on the history of past bubbles, including the first, tulip mania. CFTC head looks to new Congress for action on crypto regulation. Rostin Behnam, chair of the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has expressed his commitment to continue efforts to regulate non-security tokens. He has encouraged Congress to give the CFTC the authority to address regulation for cryptocurrencies to protect customers and prevent failures. The CFTC has already taken 69 crypto-related actions, and is working towards more precedent-setting cases against fraudulent or illegal digital asset projects. Congress may revisit the Lummiskillebrand Responsible Financial Innovation Act to address the roles of the CFTC and Securities and Exchange Commission on crypto regulation. The CFTC is committed to protecting customers and preventing failures in the crypto market. Chair Rostin Behnam is urging Congress to give the CFTC the authority to regulate non-security tokens and is pushing for the Lummiskillebrand Responsible Financial Innovation Act to address the roles of the CFTC and SEC on crypto regulation. The CFTC has already taken 69 crypto-related actions and is continuing to work towards more precedent-setting cases against fraudulent or illegal digital asset projects. DeFi enjoys a prolific start to 2023, Finance Redefined. This week saw a 93% year-on-year decline in losses from DeFi exploits and hacks, a bullish market rally and a slew of regulatory action against an alleged fraudster. The total value locked, TVL, in DeFi protocols reached nearly $50 billion, with most tokens registering another weekly price surge. The DeFi sector is becoming a safer and more welcoming environment according to credit rating firm Moody's, with the total market value remaining over $40 billion this past week. Finance Redefined brings you the latest insights on the rapidly advancing DeFi space. Takashi Murakami to release collection of 13 NFTs linked to physical Hublot watches. Luxury watchmaker Hublot and acclaimed Japanese artist Takashi Murakami have collaborated to create a new collection of 13 real-world watches linked to non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The watches, inspired by Japanese video games and television shows from the 1970s, will be unveiled at the Watches Wonders 2023 trade show in Geneva in April. Collectors who have previously purchased one of the 324 Murakami and Hublot NFTs released in April 2022 will have exclusive access to 12 of the 13 timepieces. The final watch, the classic fusion Takashi Murakami Black Ceramic Rainbow, will be available to the collector who can purchase all 12 of the NFTs or will be sold at auction by Hublot to raise funds for charity. FBI seizes $100,000 in NFTs and 86.5 ETH from scammer following ZachXBT investigation. The FBI has seized 2 non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and 86.5 Ether, ETH, worth over $100,000 from a reported phishing scammer, Chase Senecal, also known as Horror, HC, online. The property seized also included an Audemars Piguet, a Royal Oak watch worth $41,000. The seizure was a result of an investigation by independent blockchain sleuth ZachXBT. The FBI has not yet revealed the full scope of legal proceedings against Senecal, but federal forfeiture is a law enforcement tool that enables the government to remove, without compensation for the individual, ownership of property involved in a crime. ZachXBT's research has played a key role in helping government authorities catch and charge fraudsters in the past. The FBI has seized 2 NFTs and 86.5 Ether, ETH, worth over $100,000 from an alleged phishing scammer, Chase Senecal. The seizure was a result of an investigation by independent blockchain sleuth ZachXBT. The FBI is using federal forfeiture to remove, without compensation for the individual, ownership of property involved in a crime. ZachXBT's research has helped government authorities catch and charge fraudsters in the past. Thank you for watching today. I wish you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments and may you make a lot of money.